Hey everybody, in this video I will show you a cheap but good upgrade you can do for your Elgrand. So sit back and enjoy, and then maybe you might want to give it a try too. You're going to want to get yourself some little plastic trim removal tools. They're going to make this job much easier. This whole black plastic section has to come off completely, and you really do have to use some force. I don't have a powered tailgate on this car, but if you did, you would need to remove the button here and disconnect the wire.
The temperature's rising, take me for a ride. Oh, it's so amazing, we got the chemistry. Regular highs when you give me ecstasy.
You do have to use quite a lot of force to get this thing to start coming off. You'll start hearing some popping sounds, which are going to be the clips holding it on. This top section that's close to the bottom of the glass was definitely the spot to start it from, as I could get a couple of clips off here and then work my way around. Working my way around the sides to the back, and it started to come off.
Wow.
Right, so now we have the back all open, and you can see the two spots where the globes connect. You just have to give them a little bit of a twist and then they come out. So I tried a couple of different globes. On the right you can see that's a LED, which is a different style to the ones that I bought for the job, and I wanted to see whether they would fit. And they don't fit, they're too long, so you need to get something that's short. So this step is important. You need to remove these clips from the boot door or the trunk, so they need to go back into the plastic cover, because they don't clip in the other way. So you have to take them out of here and then load them all back up into their little slots. Then you can actually clip it all back in to the trunk lid. Just now check the globes are all back in place and working before you put the cover on. These are the short LEDs that I used, and that result just looks awesome. So much better than the standard globe. So now it's time to put it all back in place, and I started in reverse, so up near the bottom of the glass and then just work my way all the way around, pushing hard up against it to hear the clips click back into place. I hope you've enjoyed watching this little project today, and I hope that you'll join me on the next one. Take care.